What's up guys, this is Austin with Proper Spray Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a pressure washing tip of the week, and this week's tip is going to be irrigation backflow adapters. What I mean by that is typically on a lot of your residential areas, depends on which city you're in, but a lot of ours have these sprinkler backflows that come up out of the ground right on the side of the house, typically where like the foam box, the spigots are at, or on your commercial properties. Typically every single one is going to have a larger sprinkler manifold. A lot of them have 1/4-inch female pipe thread on top, and it's got a little flathead screw that you can turn on and off with a screwdriver to be able to get access to water from that. So what you need in order to access those is going to be one of these two things here. This one happens to have a valve on it and some quick connects. This one is just kind of your standard fittings. You can get both of these pretty much everything here at Home Depot. This is just 1/4-inch pipe thread to 1/4-inch pipe thread to 1/4-inch to 1/2 inch, and then 1/2 inch to 3/4 garden hose over here. They're about 20 bucks. Or this is what I like to use, and the reason is because I can thread this on to the sprinkler manifold, and then we can just quick connect this into here, and I don't have to worry about this getting stuck on the sprinkler manifold. But same thing, you got a 1/4-inch female plug, 1/4-inch pipe, 1/4-inch by 1/2 inch deucer or reducer, whatever you want to call it. And then in here is a 1/2 inch to female 3/4-inch garden hose. And then we have a 3/4-inch male thread pipe here out to male garden hose here with a little valve. So these are great for getting water access on a lot of your residential homes. And then for us specifically, because we're running on average about 20 gallons a minute at a lot of these houses we're working on, I can run multiple water feeds. And what I mean by that is you can see that right here, this is obviously our garden hose reel. There's about 300 foot of 3/4-inch hose on it. So I can pull one strand off, connect that to the closest hose spigot, and then connect it to one of these, which these both go to float valves up at the top of the tank. So that's one of my water spigots. Then I can send another long section of hose to like the back of the house, or if there's somewhere where I can find a backflow to get an additional water source coming in. If you do that, typically you will get basically twice the amount of water. Keep in mind there are some variables depending on the house and the water, if it's well. So sometimes it doesn't always work out, but in the instances that it does, it's awesome to have this stuff set up so you can take advantage of getting as much water going in, especially on some of these higher volume setups. So that's your tip of the week. Hope that helps. If you have any questions or need some clarification, drop it down in the comments. Thank you guys for watching.